All right, what's up, everyone? Hope you guys are doing well. Today, going to be going over the price action. Did not take any trades. Today was No News Monday, with the markets closed on Thursday for Thanksgiving. So, slow start to the week, but good habits. So, let's go over the price action. So, going into open, I was leaning slightly bullish, but also kind of leaning a little bit bearish. I mean, high time frame, we just had the previous Friday lows taken. So, and we also held this 1 weekly fair value gap. So, was leaning bullish, but we still left the new week opening gap unfilled. So, based on that, I was potentially willing to see this low resistance liquidity get taken. But we also did take London and Asia highs pre-market. So I was expecting search and destroy conditions in combination with a No News Monday. Probably just going to be bad price action. The main levels that I had marked down were this hourly fair value gap that was also on ES as well as, I mean, this was previous day high, but like we just ripped right through it. And then, I mean, we just have this big imbalance. So like after we take this, if we can't get shorts off the hourly or the 15-minute, then it would probably just be nothing. Was also open to taking longs off of the new week opening gap. And so as you probably saw, price just opened. And we also left this unfilled hourly, so was open to take longs off of this. But we really just pumped to previous day high, put in an internal high off of pretty much nothing. From there, came back down. We opened up a 5-minute. There was a continuation model here. And there was a 30-second entry here. But I just wasn't really loving this at the time. We also did have an SMT at this low here because ES came down and took the hourly. So I would rate this probably, I don't know, maybe like a B plus. The 30-second B plus if you're super high conviction. And I was looking for the highest time frame, this 1 minute. But I just didn't end up taking this because the close wasn't good, and also this is just like way too premium. And then we also opened up a 15-minute here. So this did end up playing out. That was the only trade that I saw here. I was watching this 5-minute potentially to get a mech model if we inverse this. But we held this, and then I pretty much just stepped off. So price now is just like flying higher. Going into tomorrow, I'd like to see what we do. We did open up a 4-hour here. So maybe we come back and tap this at some point and then go higher to the daily fair value gap. It's a high inside of a fair value gap, so I expect that to be a high probability draw on liquidity going into the rest of the week. We also just have like a lot of low resistance liquidity built up, like these highs, and then also all-time highs. So we'll see what we want to do. Probably going to be bullish going into the rest of the week, but just going to be adaptive and take high-quality setups. So no trades today. Didn't take the long because it was too premium and just wasn't A+. Would have liked to see the highest time frame inversion to be a little bit lower in the leg or get the resweep of the 15-minute to go long. So that's going to be it for today. Really short video here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.